When your clients trust you, they trust your recommendations, and leveraging this resource is an excellent way to add value to your business. Hi, I'm Ian McLeod, and today we're looking briefly at how to protect your business if you are providing referrals to others. If you would like to view the document in more detail, simply hit the pause button below. Referrals form the marketing backbone for a myriad of businesses, without which many would struggle to survive. Car dealers often refer business or customers to finance brokers. Those working in the financial services field often refer clients to law firms, and everyone has an account that they recommend. If you're providing leads by referring clients to a favoured business, or you rely upon introductions from others, a Referral Services Agreement will define how and when fees are paid and under what circumstances. This document will work well for those businesses that we've just mentioned, but will also suit many others. Because it comes to you as an MS Word document, it's fully editable, so it has the flexibility to adapt to your needs. It covers all the provisions needed to protect your interests and everything you would expect in a high quality document. If you have any further questions, feel free to call us on 1800 608 088 or simply hit the Buy Now button and you'll be able to download the agreement in a matter of minutes.